The Kodiak Mini Rechargeable Plasma Lighter with an integrated work light and safety strobe light is small in size but big in features. Let's take a hands-on look. The lighter is rechargeable and should be charged fully before using it for the first time. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source, including wall chargers, computers, or power banks. Flip down the metal locking latch and press the lid latch button. Plug the USB-C connector into the charging port. A small blue light next to the charging port indicates charging is underway. The light turns off when charging is complete. A full charge can take up to 1.5 hours. The internal 400 mAh 3.7 volt lithium polymer battery is not replaceable. The lighter measures 3 inches tall by 2 inches wide by 5/8 of an inch thick and weighs in at 1.6 ounces. It features high and low brightness light modes, plus emergency strobe and a wind-resistant plasma lighter. High brightness is 500 lumens with a 30-minute runtime. Low brightness is 60 lumens with a 1 hour and 50-minute runtime. And strobe features a 40-minute runtime at 500 lumens. To access the lighter, fold the locking latch down and press the lid latch button. Double press the lighter button to unlock the safety mode. The charging light blinks twice, indicating it's unlocked. Press and hold the lighter button for 3 seconds to turn on the plasma lighter and keep it pressed for up to 7 seconds of continuous use. If you need more time, press and hold the lighter button again. You may manually put the lighter section in safety mode by double pressing the lighter button. The charging light blinks 4 times, indicating it's in the safety lock mode. The lighter automatically enters the safety lock mode after 30 seconds of non-use. When finished, close the lid and flip up the metal locking latch. The lockout protection feature for the plasma lighter has no effect on the LED light functions. The Kodiak Plasma Lighter carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating. Now you can enjoy the convenience of having a wind-resistant lighter, 500 lumen light in one pocket-sized device with the Kodiak Rechargeable Plasma Lighter.